Hello, welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 4. Today we're going to explore arrays a little closer with multiplication. So just like yesterday, an array is a group of objects. So yesterday we kind of studied where we had boxes in columns and rows. Today we're going to draw pictures or draw objects arranged in equal numbered rows and equal numbered columns. So arrays can help you multiply. It's a good way to visually see what's happening with the multiplication. So let's get started. All right, here we have example 1. Mrs. Roberts baked a batch of bagels. She arranged the bagels in 3 equal rows of 4 bagels each on the cooling rack. How many bagels did she bake? Okay, so we need to say we have 3 rows of 4 each. Let's draw the array. So remember, rows are side to side. So I have 3 rows of 4 in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also an array. Last time we did those boxes. This time we can do kind of objects. These are bagels. So let's make them look like bagels. This can be kind of fun. Let's not spend forever making them look like bagels, but you know. So when we look at our array, we can use repeated addition or multiplication to find the unknown. So I have 3 groups of 4, 4, 4. 2 4s make 8. 1 more 4 makes 12. Here's our addition sentence. When it says multiplication sentence, that means I can have 3 groups of 4, and that also equals 12. I could count 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 rows of 4 is 12, or 3 times 4 is 12. The unknown is 12. Mrs. Roberts baked 12 bagels. One page of Elsa's photo album is shown right there. Write 2 multiplication sentences to find out how many photos are on the page. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 1, 2 in each row. So I can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 here. Now if I flip my array on its side, if I rotate it onto its side, now I have 2 rows and 4 in each row. So I could do 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, we get the same answer because of the commutative property of multiplication. That says we can change the order of our factors and still get the same product. Look, factor, factor, product. Flip-flop them, factor, factor. We get the same product. All right, here we need to write an addition sentence and a multiplication sentence to show equal rows. So I have 3 rows with 4 in each row. So I need to do 4 plus 4 plus 4. 2 4s is 8. 1 more is 12. Or I could just do 3 groups of 4, which means also 12. Here I have 3 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. So I can do 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5, 10, 15, which is 15. Or I could say 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, now it says we need to use the commutative property of multiplication to find each missing number. Okay, so that says 3 times 2 is 6. Here it says what times 3 is 6? Well, if we know we're flip-flopping our factors, we have a 3 here. We're missing the 2, so that means 2 times 3 is 6. So we did 3 times 2 and 2 times 3, and they both give us 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So if I flip-flop them, I could also say that 4 times 6 is 24. And that's all I have for you for today. Pretty short one. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.